Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. I am Binary Master Pro Trader. Today I will withdraw $15,000 in IQ Option Broker. If you want learning strategy and binary option signal, join Telegram channel now, link the description below. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel. Forget to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for next update. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Locate the withdrawal option on the platform. It's usually found in the cashier or banking section. Click on it to proceed. Enter the withdrawal amount. In this case, we're withdrawing $15,000. Make sure to double. And there you have it, our fellow traders. Withdrawing $15,000 from IQ Option is as easy as following these 5 simple steps. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your trading buddies. Until next time, happy trading!